Why is this mysterious pit in Egypt called the Prison of the Devil? And what secrets lie within? Satellite images have captured shocking and eerie sights, scenes that had never been witnessed before. From American drone strikes in Iraq to the relentless bombings in Gaza, some images reveal breathtaking wonders, while others are almost too horrifying to describe. Today, we embark on a chilling journey through 10 of the most enigmatic locations ever recorded on Google Earth. Welcome to InfoZap, the unsolved mystery of the Algerian desert. In the endless dunes of the Sahara Desert in Algeria, a strange circular structure stands alone. No one knows its true history. This mysterious formation, known as Casa Dra, is located in the remote town of Timimoun. Reaching it is no simple task. It requires a treacherous journey through the harsh desert. Spanning 35 meters in diameter and surrounded by 2-meter-high walls, this enigmatic structure raises more questions than answers. Was it a fortress? A home? A shelter for weary travelers crossing the desert on camels? Curiously, the structure has 2 walls, one made of stone and clay, the other purely of clay. Inside, remnants of rooms are visible, along with small windows for ventilation. But why are the windows only present in the inner wall? Experts speculate that this could have been an ancient traveler's inn, used by desert nomads thousands of years ago, but no one knows for sure. The bottomless pit of Egypt, a gateway to hell, deep in the desert of Yemen lies a terrifying hole in the ground. 30 meters wide, known as the Well of Barhout. Locals call it the Prison of the Devil, or even the Pit of Hell. Why? Because an unbearable stench emanates from it, so foul it can make people sick. For centuries, no one dared to explore its depths. But recently, a team of brave cave explorers decided to descend into the abyss. What they found inside was unsettling. Venomous snakes, the decayed remains of animals, and eerie cave pearls formed over millennia by dripping water. People living nearby avoid talking about the well, and no one passes by after sunset. Is it just an ancient natural sinkhole, or does something truly otherworldly lurk in its shadows? A moment frozen in time. An American drone strike in Iraq. The city of Mosul, Iraq, has long been a battleground. But in January 2017, something chilling was captured on Google Earth. Satellite images from January 19th show an MQ-9 Reaper drone soaring over the Tigris River. What was its target? Fast forward just 5 days. Another image from January 24th reveals 2 craters in the same location. These craters weren't there before. What's even more disturbing is that in the image before the strike, a small boat, a group of people, and a vehicle were visible on the riverbank. Did these people survive? Who were they? The silence surrounding this incident is deafening. A mysterious island in the Red Sea. Who left these marks? In the northeastern waters of Africa, deep within the Red Sea, lies a tiny 500 x 300 island off the coast of Eritrea. Unlike any other island nearby, this one is covered in thousands of strange markings. Why is this island filled with such unusual patterns, while every other island remains untouched? After extensive research, scientists made an unexpected discovery. These are the nesting pits of sea turtles. Because the island is untouched by human activity, it has become a safe haven for sea turtles to lay their eggs. But how long will this refuge last? A solar power station so massive it's visible from space. In central Morocco, an enormous solar power plant stretches across 4,500 acres, so vast that it can be seen clearly from space. This is the Noor Solar Power Station, one of the largest concentrated solar power plants in the world. Thousands of mirrors adjust their angles to reflect sunlight toward a massive central tower. At the top of this tower, molten salt absorbs the heat, which then generates steam to power turbines, producing electricity. From space, the perfectly aligned mirrors and the looming shadow of the tower create a futuristic yet surreal landscape. A vanishing compound, the last hideout of Osama bin Laden. In a satellite image from 2001, a specific location in Abbottabad, Pakistan, appears to be simple farmland, but by May 9, 2010, something had changed. A heavily fortified compound had been constructed. This was the secret hideout of Osama bin Laden. On May 2, 2011, US Navy SEALs conducted Operation Neptune Spear, raiding the compound and killing the world's most wanted terrorists. A satellite image taken the same day is blurred, hiding key details. But soon after, the compound was completely demolished. Today, new buildings stand in their place, but the ground where the compound once stood remains empty, a silent reminder of history's most infamous manhunt. A floating mystery in the Congo River. In the dense jungles of South Africa, the Congo River flows uninterrupted, except for a strange floating structure captured in a 2017 satellite image. What is it? Experts believe it's an illegal gold mining platform. These floating rigs sift through river sediment to extract gold. Because of government crackdowns, these platforms are designed to be dismantled quickly. A month later, the satellite images showed it was gone. The destruction of Gaza, a before and after nightmare. Satellite images of North Gaza taken on October 19, 2023, show a thriving city. 1 month later, on November 24, 2023, nothing but rubble, entire neighborhoods erased. Homes, skyscrapers, and schools are reduced to dust. The devastation is so vast that even from space, the scars of war are unmistakable, an ominous shadow over Los Angeles. On January 11, 2025, a satellite image of Los Angeles revealed something terrifying. A thick, dark cloud hovered over the city, not from a storm, but from a raging wildfire that burned for 25 days. The destruction on the ground is still unknown, as satellite images have yet to be updated. But one thing is certain, the scars left behind will last for years. A forgotten Russian bunker aimed at America? In the Bering Sea, northeast of Japan, lies a remote Russian island, thousands of kilometers from civilization. At first glance, it appears uninhabited, but a closer look at satellite images reveals 6 small, square structures on its eastern edge. What are they? Experts believe these are abandoned World War II bunkers, positioned to monitor American ships near Alaska. Even today, these bunkers remain, a silent but haunting reminder of a war long past. Which of these locations shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for the next episode.